Take it from me, today's tire shops can't just run on paper and clipboard. Shop management software has gone from nice to have to absolutely non-negotiable. And I'm not just talking about your point of sale system either. I'm talking about building trust, improving the customer experience, and making your entire team more efficient. Sounds good, right? Let's walk through how the right software systems can streamline your workflow, in turn growing your bottom line. The benefits of improved software start at the counter. What used to take an hour or more, like quoting tires, calculating labor, and checking part availability, now takes just minutes. Think about it. If your service writers have more time to close more jobs on the spot, that lowers the risk of a lost sale due to multiple callbacks. Modern software also helps drive sales through better communication. Two-way texting allows service writers to send updates and get quick approvals without waiting on callbacks. Some platforms even use AI chat tools on your website to answer customer questions and schedule appointments after hours. Software has customer loyalty benefits as well. Customer tracking tools like service history can be helpful for sending automated reminders or pre-scheduling appointments, for example. Think of it this way. Your technician finishes the brake job, prints a lube sticker with the next service date, and has the system automatically remind the customer a week before they're due. When an appointment is confirmed, your team can pre-order parts and block off time, completely doing away with last-minute surprises. Remember, modern software isn't just a back-office tool. It's a service advisor, marketing tool, and office manager rolled into one. If you're jumping between 5 different programs for scheduling, inventory, and communication, it may be time to do some research and consider an all-in-one software solution. It'll save you time and lower costs, all while giving you a better handle on your shop. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.